Amazing day, champions. I'm Derek Ferrer, and I'm here today to share to you about DMO or Daily Method of Operation. So today, matututunan nyo ano yung dapat gawin every day. Kasi kailangan may activities ka because activities produce production and production produce result. So okay, hindi ko napapatagalin. Let's start. Okay, so this is it. Yeah, here we go. So, do you have a daily method of operation? Again, yung pinasukan nyo is a business, okay? It's a business and every business need to operate every day. Why we need to operate every day? Because every day gusto natin mag-earn. Okay? So, we need to operate every day. Saan kayo nakikita na business nagko-close, di ba? Pero kumikita. So, it needs to be open. So in the New Norm project here in I Am Worldwide, we have a daily method of operation. Every day na gagawin nyo. Okay. And. A network marketing DMO. So ang dami. There are different DMOs in every industry. So ngayon, naka-training na kayo ng IDBP, naka-training na kayo ng iba't ibang trainings, and you know that this is a network marketing business and a DMO, it helps you how to stay focused. Okay, focus. 'Di ba? Minsan kasi nahihirapan tayo if marami tayong iniisip ano yung uunahin gagawin. So a DMO, daily method of operation helps you to stay focused, get more done in less time. Gusto niyo ba 'yon? And you don't need to spend a whole day doing your business. Okay? You just need a less time and get more and get more activities, 'di ba? And it creates consistency. Consistency is the name of the game. If it creates consistency. If you do you sustain your momentum every day, same lang yung ginagawa mo, it creates consistency. It creates delayed gratification. Ano yung delayed gratification? Akala mo walang nangyayari, pero tuloy mo lang, hindi mo alam, 2 months, 3 months from now, even a month na consistent ka, makikita mo na yung results that you want. It prevents overwhelm. Ganun ako before. I started doing network marketing and na-overwhelm ako kung ano yung gagawin. So, yung tuturo ko, it prevents you from overwhelm and creates duplication. Okay? It doesn't matter if it works, but the question is, does it duplicate? Kailangan may duplication. Kung pwedeng working yan sa'yo, pero hindi mo napapasa. This system, this training, naka-design siya para makaduplicate ka. Okay? It is effective and at the same time, it is duplicable. Okay. And makafocus tayo because we have trainings also. Kung makikita nyo sa manual natin, we have trainings how to build a business offline. Okay, nasa labas ka. But right now, as the world nagta-transition ng every industry right now, every businesses goes online na. Okay? So, online marketing. And online marketing, naka-base siya talaga sa social media marketing. So, especially right now, I will focus on what we call Facebook or Instagram, that online platform. Okay, so get ready for success. Are you ready? Can you comment, I am ready? Okay, if you're watching this replay, just can you comment, I am ready? So get ready for success. So number 1, before we start, be authentic. Okay, be authentic. Dapat totoo ka. You don't need na ng false kasi iba dito hindi pa kumikita ng 1 million, sinasabi na ng 1M na siya. Kita dito na you don't need to fake it, di ba? You don't need to fake it. Be authentic because people joins this business not because of the business alone but because they trust you. So be authentic, be real, be genuine. Okay, be inspiring and be positive. Okay? So when magpo-post ka sa social media, when you engage people, be inspiring, be genuine, be real, be authentic. And most especially, be positive. Okay. So, social media facelift. Okay. Parang baguhin natin lahat. Okay. This work in any social media platform. So, if you facelift natin. So, let's see what are the best thing to do sa social media. Mag-ready muna tayo before we start DMO. i-set up muna natin yung social media. So you must make sure that everything is all set up in your social media. Okay? Sa Facebook mo. Our business is determined by the foundation we set. Do you agree? First impressions means a lot. Style beats substance. Diba? So, right now, we are using social media. Right now, we are using online marketing. So, the question is, yun yung parang website mo. Your wall, your profile is your website, is your landing page. That's the first thing na makikita nila. When you message people, pupunta sila sa wall mo. Okay? So, importante muna before tayo mag-set up ng DMO, ayusin natin yung wall natin or yung social media account natin. In social media, your landing page is your profile. Okay, 4 points that you need to go through first. Ito lang, ang daming-dami pero I'll just give some suggestions. Number 1, have a clear profile and excellent photo. Okay lang ba yan? You need to have a clear profile and excellent photo. You need na ikaw, okay? Clear siya, high definition, mas maganda, okay? Have a profile picture. Have a personality-based cover photo, okay? Hindi yung products, okay? Like a picture of your family, a picture of you na maganda yung background, a picture of you and your vision statement, a picture of you and your mission statement, okay? Diba? Have a curiosity creating bio section. Lagay ka sa curiosity, yung bio section mo sa information, lagay ka ng entrepreneur, lagay ka ng digital marketer, online business owner, okay? The new norm project ambassador, okay? Remove any spam or unclear posts. Check your posting, check your wall. If you think na hindi siya maganda, delete it, okay? Postings content. Okay, we have different trainings for this, but I'll just give you some idea. Ano yung ipopost nyo? Your results, okay? Results-based siya, value, nagbibigay ka ng value sa wall mo, and your lifestyle, dapat nakikita ka nila. Okay. What else? Okay? Ito yung 6 value, 3 lifestyle, and 1 result. That's the average. Out of your 10 posts, 6 na nag-post ka ng value, 3 nag-post ka ng lifestyle, na 1 lang yung result. Personal, educational, and inspirational. That's our one of mga samples natin in posting. Okay, let's go. Facebook groups. Okay. Start to be part of different Facebook groups. Okay? One of the best and easiest ways you can meet these 5 new contacts is within Facebook group communities. Kasi I would suggest that every day you engage with 5 people. Okay? And one strategy is you invest in your time 20 to 30 minutes each day to hang out in Facebook groups that you can relate to. Okay? Yung hobby nyo, kung saan yung location, saan ka, join that group. Okay? The best groups to join are groups that are actually not business related. Okay? Simply because most people join the business groups with agenda to sell things and not really develop relationship. And our business is a business of relationship. So you want to join the groups where people are providing value. Okay? So join groups that are related with your interests, your hobbies, your locations. Okay? So that's it. And post ka din doon. Okay. So this is the start. The first DMO. Come on. DMO. Imagine every day, just spend 10 minutes. If you want to do this over time, it's okay. Minimum lang to. Minimum. 10 minutes every day, you comment. The first thing that you need to do every day is to comment. O madali or sobrang dali. So comment. Comment ka lang. In 10 minutes, comment ka lang. It gives your algorithm sa Facebook mo. Nakikita ng Facebook na, engaging ka, nag-engage ka, so i-visible niya yung mga post mo. So where? Sa mga newsfeed. Comment ka sa mga wall ng friends mo. Diba? Sa comment ka sa mga post ng mga friends mo. Sa groups, comment ka sa mga post nila. Sa pages, diba? Sa stories. Okay? Comment ka lang doon. Diba? So in 10 minutes, just comment. Okay? And I suggest that you comment more on the people na hindi part ng I Am Worldwide, na hindi part ng team mo. Comment on your prospect's profile or post. 3 different types of comment. Number 1, encouragement. Ito lang. Like example, I love this, you rock, this is amazing. Positive encouragement comments. Always encourage people if you comment them. Okay? Number 2, create value. Create suggestions, create value. And number 3, opinion. Diba? Mag-comment ka ng opinion. Ganun lang. Encouraging siya, nag-create siya ng value or nagbibigay ka ng opinion sa topic nila. It means if you give opinion to them, you are interested on what they know. You're interested on them. 'Di ba? If you're interested on them, nakikita nila, okay. Oo, 'di ba? So okay to. So you build a relationship and eventually in the future, you can become a business partner. Okay. So if you consistently do this, you will notice your low of visibility increase. Ano yan? Makikita mo sa algorithm ng Facebook, nakikita ka kasi ng Facebook na nagko-comment ka sa kanila. So every time mag-post ka, nakikita din nila. Okay? So it sounds good? Sounds good? Consistency is the key. Remember, consistency is the key. Every day, comment. And the next mga next steps natin later, every day, consistent lang. If you don't see the result, be consistent. Because may aanihin ka din. Okay? Take away, you've got to have a connection first, then a conversation, and then you'll get a commission. Okay? And later makikita nyo na yan. Para saan to? Huwag ka mag-pitch ka agad. Before mo siya i-engage, comment on their post, heart on their profile picture, 'di ba? You've got to have a connection, then a conversation, and then you'll get a commission. Okay? As a network professional, marketing professional, 3 lang yung i-collect mo. You collect friends, you collect relationships, you collect decisions, and then you collect commissions. So, but before you collect commissions, kailangan nila mag-decide to be part of you. And before sila mag-decide to be part of your organization, you need to establish a relationship. Make sense? Okay. So, number 1 again, it's comment. And number 2, it's connect. In 10 minutes, just connect with 10 people. Connect with people who add or follow you already. Connect with your friends. Okay. But before, ito, number 1 na connect with people na nag-add, nag-friend request sa inyo. But before confirming, before ka mag-connect sa kanila, look for the red flag. Red. They have default Facebook photo. Ito yung mga tao na hindi mo i-accept yung request. They have spammy post. 'Di ba? Hundreds of friend lang, walang pinopost, baka spammer 'yan or scammer 'yan. So, be careful who you add in social media, okay? But if okay naman sila, you confirm them. Pag may nag-add sa inyo, confirm them. Love their profile picture. Again, stop liking, start loving. Okay? Every move nyo sa social media is you need to heart them. And then message them, hey Kit, it's great to be connected with you here in FB. How's things with you? Hey Kit, it's great to be connected with you. Kamusta ka dyan? 'Di ba? Yun yung first mo, paano ka. So in 10 minutes, ganun ka lang. Take away, if someone want to be my friend, they do not pitch me. Wag ka, hey Kit, nakita kita sa Facebook, gusto mo extra income? Hindi ganon. Make friends. No one likes a sales pitch, but they love to hear stories. Okay? They want to get to know the person first. Sasabihin palagi sa inyo, no thanks. Because you don't have a relationship. Okay? Second connection. 'Di ba? Yung mga tao na nag-like, nag-love, and nag-comment and share ng mga posts mo. Pag nag-like sila, appreciate them. Hey Josie, thanks for liking, loving, or commenting, or sharing my recent post. Kamusta ka dyan? Diba? Pwede. And third connection is yung mga existing mo. Kamustahin mo sila. Engage. Nag-post sila, engage at their post. And uy, nakita ko yung post mo, ganito. Diba? Ang ganda. Diba? Kamustahin mo yung work nila. Diba? There are samples there. Kamustahin nyo yung location. Diba? Kamustahin nyo yung family nila. Okay, don't if you finish this video pala, we have all the scripts, okay? Connect with your sponsor, ask for the script. Connect with your business partners, connect with your team. Basahin mo, we have the file for all the scripts. So don't worry. Okay, you will have the scripts. Okay, importante ngayon malaman niyo lang yung concept. Okay? So connect with sa location, oy, taga Bacolod ka pala, taga Italy ka, taga Australia ka. How's your how's your work? How's your family? Okay, just connect with them. Engage on a special event. Okay, bigyan kita ng hack, bonus tip, bonus is every day I greet all the people in my social media friends list a happy birthday, all na may birthday. Ginigreet ko sila. Happy birthday and verse, okay? Engage on common interest din, di ba? Yun. DMO number 3. 3 na tayo. Kanina comment. Number 2, connect. Di ba? Number 3, FAM. What is FAM? Find, add, message. Find people, add them, message them. Kasi daming questions, mentor. Minsan nahihirapan ako. Minsan, kasi nawawala na ako ng friends. Lahat na message ko na. This is the solution. Every day, find people. Find them, add them, and message them. Okay. Ito, bigyan ko kayo. You can find them in your friends request list. Punta ka sa mga group pages. If nakita mo, active to. Add them. Diba? Yung mga hindi mo friend, punta ka sa mga friends of your friends. Diba? Before mo sila i-add, comment on their post, like a post, or loved a post, add the person. Ito, clam method. Sa FAM, may clam method tayo. Message the person you added and introduce yourself. Here are some ways to connect with your new friend. Compliment them. Again, compliment them about what they posted. Talk about something you have in common, di ba? Ask them, for example, how long you've been doing gardening? How long you've been doing, sabihin natin ano yung mga uso ngayon, TikTok. How you've been doing, your YouTube channel? How long you've been doing with your exercise? Parang ganun. So, ganon. And see, for example, bigyan ko kayo ng example. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for sharing. Going to add this on your warm-up routine at home. Diba? Thanks for sharing. Nakita ko, ang ganda pala ng ganito. So, like their post, send them and message them. Message them. Okay, Clam? Comment on their post, like their post, or love their post, add them, message them. Diba? Diba? All you are doing is commenting and connecting with them. You're not selling to them. Lord, parang location, pwede ka din. You can use the CLAM method or you can use the Lord method. Okay, ano yung Lord method? Location. Oy, kamusta? I found out na sa Australia ka pala. I found out na sa Riyadh ka. Nasa Riyadh din ako. Nasa Australia din ako. I found out na ganon. O, diba? So, occupation. Uy, nag-work ka din pala sa ganito. Diba? Recreation. Oh, kamusta na yung pinagkakabalan mo? And then, diba? Yun na. Diba? Oh, question ka na. Oh, ano ba yung goal mo in your work? Ano ba yung goal nyo? Diba? Is dreams or desires. Okay? Again, I have scripts here. You can read this, okay? See. Parang example na ganito. Hey, Paul, great to be connected with you in person. How's things? Kamustahin mo muna? Doing good. I noticed na nandyan ka pala sa Dubai, diba? So, location, diba? So, ano yung work mo? Occupation, how many years sila, diba? 10 years, ano gusto mo, diba? Tinatanong ka, diba? At tinatanong mo siya. So, and then, yun, so, kung wala po kayong work, ano yung ginagawa nyo? Recreation. So, parang ganyan. So, and then, diba? Kung wala po kayong work, anong ginagawa nyo? Facebook lang, connect with some friends, parang ganon. Diba? So, that's it. So, that's it. You fam. Okay, find, add, message. Again, number 1, you comment. Number 2, you connect. Number 3, you find, add, and message people. Okay, and number 4, direct approach. This is the last one. Ay, hindi pa pala. Second, direct approach. These are the people na na-connect mo na. These are the people na may relationship ka na. So, every day, just connect with, just direct approach 5 people. What it means by direct approach, this is simply asking 5 people whether they're open to look at your business. Akala kasi nila mahirap mag-invite or we call inviting. Invite them to your business. This is exciting because it starts with the mindset. It's not with the skill. Kasi you're not here to convince them. You're here to just share the business. Just asking them if they're open. If they're not, it's okay. Okay? Now, this is not about whether they're going to join or not. This is just simply asking them if they are willing to check out your business. Okay, so most distributors waste too much time building rapport and building relationship with cold market online prospects. That is not to say building relationship are important. So sabi ko nga importante yung relationship, but if you feel na okay na, nakabuild ka na ng trust, it's important to be direct and invite quickly and not waste time, because when it comes to cold market or warm market, maybe you won't see it again, di ba? So it's a it's a numbers again. So that's the great part of this MLM demo. Every day, you have to ask 5 people, di ba? Nag-comment ka, nag-connect ka, and nag-fam ka, and then direct approach ka. You have to ask 5 people a day whether they'd be interested to learn about what your business, and there's no way you can hit that daily number if you waste time just chatting and not getting to business. So what you gonna do is just to ask people, okay? Tanungin mo lang yung tao. If they are open to check out of your business ngayon, ganun lang ka-simple. Di ba? An invite can be as simple as, oh, I'm so excited to be part of this group. Alam mo, may group ako ngayon, community ako ngayon, the New Norm Project, who are changing lives and making difference in this new norm. It may be or may not for you, but would you be interested to learn more? Di ba? That's the direct approach. Pwede. It's just simply ganito. Again, don't worry. We have scripts for you. But I want you just request for the script sa team, or nandun sa learning portal natin, nandun sa group page, training page natin, or you can ask it directly to your mentor about the scripts. Okay, so hi Hazel, hope you're doing good, diba? It's very challenging lately for everyone. Just curious if you will be open to check out some more information and exciting way to earn from home during this pandemic. No worries, if not, God bless. Ganun lang. Ganun lang kasimple. It is just asking your friends and family members if they're open to check out the business that you discover. Ganun lang kasimple. Diba? By the way, are you free 6 p.m.? Oh, diba? Bilis lang. Ganun lang kasimple. Are you free 6 p.m.? Diba? So, by the way, I'm starting a new trend of business now. Are you open to check out my digital marketing business? Simple. Diba? Ganun lang. Nag-ask ka lang. Don't worry, just ask. Diba? Regardless the response, just ask. Avoiding this invite mistake where you spend days, ito yung i-avoid nyo, or even months, chit-chatting back and forth with your prospect and taking too long to invite them. Hindi mo alam, nakukuha na pala sila ng iba. Meanwhile, internally, you're debating on when's the right time to pop that special invite question. Okay, getting stuck building rapport and taking too long to invite is one of the most common invite mistakes. Okay, it's one of the most common. It can slow down your daily income producing activities, which ultimately can discourage you because little action leads to little to no results. Okay, little action leads to little to no results. Again, just 5. Can you comment 5? Can you comment 5 in our comment section? Kung saan man kayo, nandun kayo sa learning portal natin, sa group page natin, or sa YouTube natin. Can you comment 5? Okay, just 5 people. Ask them every day. Imagine nyo, you're asking 5 people every day. In 1 week, you're asking 35 people every day. In 1 month, di ba? You have asked 150 people every day. Sa 150, hindi malabo na 5 to 10 people magjo-join sa inyo. Diba? So you just need to be consistent. Again, if you remember one of my slides, consistency is the key. Okay, wrong mindset. Ito yung mga wrong mindset. Mga lies na sa utak natin. That feels wrong. They're going to think I'm using them. No, you're not using them. You're helping them. You're opening an opportunity to them that can help their finances and health. Diba? So, I want them to think I'm spamming them. You're not spamming them. You're sharing an opportunity that could give them breakthrough. Shouldn't I build a deeper connection first? If you feel na okay na, at trust, kilala ka na nila, they know you, why i-open mo na? Diba? Remember, it's about the activity, not the result. Don't focus on the result. Wala pang nag-pay in. No. Focus on the activity. Focus on the comment. Focus on connecting. Focus on farming. Focus on approaching 5 people. Focus lang. It takes the pressure off when inviting and following up with your prospect. Huwag kang mag-pressure sa result. Dapat activity-based ka. The fear of rejection start to decrease, not disappear. Minsan may fear of rejection pa rin tayo. Because you'll soon learn that you're not focused kung sino mag-join, you're just focused kung how many people na ma-share ko. So don't think about how many people have nag-join, think about how many people na na-sharean mo. 'Di ba? Because we're not here to convince, we're here to educate. 'Di ba? If you get 5 no's, 5 people not replying back to you, that's okay. Some will join, some will not. So what next? Diba? Your requirement every day is to focus on the activity, not the results. That's it. 5 lang. Hindi ka masustress. Ano gagawin ko ngayon? 5 people lang na question you every day. Diba? Imagine nyo, if you have 5 downlines under you, 5 ka, so 6 na kayo. So, long term, this is the duplication will start. Requirement nyo 5 lang. So, 5 times 6, it's 30 people na na-comment na na-approach ng organization mo. So, in your business, because we are applying the law of leverage, after 1 month, ilan na? 900 people na na-approach ng business mo because hindi ka lang nag-iisa. If your culture is 5, 5, 5, 5, lahat kayo mag-invite lang ng 5 every day, 1 month, 2 months, you're gonna be in momentum. Okay? And before you know it, the happiness and success compounds exponentially because you'll be getting the results that you want. Every day, 5 people, gumagaling ka na. Diba, hindi mo alam, gumagaling ka na mag-approach. At first, wala pa, gumagaling ka na. You're going to get one of these answers. Again, yes, no, and maybe. Depende. If answer is no, wag mong ikat. Don't burn bridges. Hey, Russell, no worries, by the way, when ka balik work. Change topic. Continue to build a relationship. Majority of people are going to tell you no. That's the hard truth. It's not for me. So it's okay. That's just the way it is. Some will not. So what next? If answer is yes, di ba? Ito, great, D. It's a visual thing I would want to show you. When do you have a 1 hour overtime to know more about this online project? When ka pwede? I'm available Friday. Ano ba yan? Try to understand it. If they ask question, your prospect goal is to get their question answered before the presentation. Your goal is not to answer all of this question, but to bring them to presentation. Okay, I can explain all at 1 p.m. on Friday. I'll send you a message. Okay? So book a webinar presentation with your mentor or send a link. Okay, may send ako ng link dito. But sasabihin mo palagi, after, okay, when mo siya iwa-watch yung webinar link, when you i-watch yung video presentation, pag sinabi niya ganitong oras, okay, I'll follow up you after you watch, I'll call you. That's the critical part. Huwag mong isend lang and hindi mo sinasabi na i-follow up mo siya. Hindi mo sasabihin na ano mo siya, na ibabalikan mo siya. Always tell them na, okay, if you watch this, ganitong oras, tatawagan kita bukas so that para mag-usap tayo. Diba? Urgency is very important. And then, always track the response. Be visible in doing the business. Longevity creates credibility. Okay? So, sa lahat yun, longevity. Post lang. Comment. Connect. The longer someone sees you doing the same thing, the more credible and trust that you will create. There's a big chance that they will be interested if you follow up them. Trust is everything in the game. Truth plus time equals trust. That's why comment, post palagi na nagbe-business ka. It doesn't mean that they said no today. It means no tomorrow. Bonus, closing. Okay? So this is not part of the DMO but bonus siya. Okay, in closing, ladder of communication. Ano yung closing? Means na presentahan mo na. Pag na-presentahan mo na, don't just message them because you will start to negotiate transactions. Di ba? You will start to magsa-start na sila mag-pay in. So, magte-text lang kayo. No. Call them. Okay? Ladder of communication, text, yung mababa, audio, message, audio call, video call. Zoom kayo kagad. Video call kayo kagad. Kasi pag nakita nila ang presentation, that's the trust will happen. Okay? Pag nakita na nila, boom. Okay? So, kailangan mo na tawagan kasi, imagine, why people nagpa-pay in ng higher package or higher investment here in our business? Because tinatawagan nila, because na-video call. People will not invest a large capital if walang trust. Dapat kailangan tawagan nyo, wag lang message. Okay? Wrong approach. Ito yung wrong approach. Ano ba yung ano mo? Ano ba yung what do you think? Diba? Ano ba yung ano mo? Iniisip mo sa business? Ano sa tingin mo? Wag ganon. Your thoughts are your enemies. Your feelings are your friends. Diba? Yung thoughts mo, kasi pag nag-analyze na sila yan, enemies yan yung analyzation nila. Kasi magda-doubt sila, pwede ba sa akin to? Ganun. But yung feeling, because yung webinar natin, yung video presentation is so exciting, yun. Ano ba yung na-feel mo? That's why, marami tayo tinatanong, what do you feel? Ano yung sa inyo? Ganun yung ako mag-question sa closing. Na-excite ako, ang daming natulungan, pwede ako, kaya nila ka, di ba? Thinking leads to doubting. Doubting leads to less activity. So, hindi sila makadecision if tatanungin mo kung anong sa tingin nila. But if tatanungin mo kung anong na-feel nila, yun. That's why people, may mga nagsha-shopping, impulsive shopping, it's not about thinking, di ba? Because, nakita nilang ganda, bibilin ko na. So, that's it. Same here. So, the less you do the wording, di ba? So, ganun siya. So, common answers, I will think about it. Diba? May ano po kayo? So, di ba? So, what do you feel about it? What do you like best? Is there anything else you need, di ba? So, after that, what do you feel about it? What do you like best? Sinabi nila sa product or sa marketing plan, sa opportunity, yung gusto ko yung product. So, pag sinabi mo, may questions pa po kayo, sabi nila wala. Is there anything else you need to know? Diba? In order to get started. Pag sinabi nila, so great, sounds like you're ready to get started. Ganun lang. Wala na po kayong question. So, great, sounds like you're ready to get started. If they're ready to start now. Pag nag-start na sila, okay, pag gusto na nila mag-start, get the Getting Started Kit. We created a Getting Started Kit for them. So, send nyo lang Getting Started, guide them, para mag-plug in sa system, sa onboarding system natin. And after that, 'di ba, pag alam na nila kung saan sila magbayad, when dadating yung products, paano mag-process ng pay-ins nila. So after that, you have a three-way call. Your prospect to your mentor, three-way call. Your new downline, ikaw, tsaka yung mentor mo. So for example, ito. Nandun na kayo sa Zoom. For example, sa Zoom or Messenger. Ito yung sasabihin mo sa prospect mo, I just want to introduce you, hey downline, hey new member, I just want to introduce you my mentor. Pwede ito sa closing din, di ba? Pwede din ito sa closing. Peter is fantastic individual that helped me, blah, blah, blah. If you have any question, feel to ask him. Hey mentor, I just wanted to introduce you my awesome friend. We know each other. He's totally open to idea and seen the presentation. Can you share the vision, your belief, and your mission in this? Di ba? So, pag na-watch na nilang presentation, di ba? Connect mo kaagad sa mentor mo. Okay? Again. And fifth, follow up. Diba? Every day, follow up. Fortune is in the follow-ups. Not follow-up. Follow-ups. Follow-ups. Every day, makulit ka. Diba? Hindi lang isang follow-up. Follow-ups. Follow up your appointments. Number one, follow up your appointments for your presentation. Diba? For example, nag-invite ka, sabi nila bukas, 6 p.m., mag-watch ako. 3 p.m., 5 p.m. pa lang, tinatawagan mo na siya. Are you excited sa webinar natin? Wag mo siyang tawagan on the 30 minutes before. Diba? Pwede naman, 30 minutes before, pero wag lang dyan. Tawagan mo din siya sa umaga. Later 30 minutes before, i-remind kita. Ganun. Always track. Always record, follow up. And then, you follow up them also in your presentation na presentahan mo, sulat mo. Sino na yung napresentahan mo? Okay? Diba? Focus on activity and not results. Another mistake that many distributors make is they do this. DMO for a few days lang, excited, especially sa mga nag-blitz, excited, and then quit because of the lack of results. 3 days pa lang, wala kang result, nag-give up ka na. 5 days pa lang, nag-give up ka na. This is a long-term game. This is a marathon. This is not a sprint. So, activity lang. Result in MLM takes time. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You're not in so be patient, and give time. Diba? Diba? Sa scripture, ano sinasabi? Yung fruit of the Spirit is patience. Diba? You have to give it time for you to get good. gagaling ka pa dito, and also for your prospects to warm up and get used. Kasi mabibigla yung prospects mo, bago ka na, naging positive ka na, di ba? If you focus on just doing this DMO every day, in 21 days, there's a power in 21 days. That's a habit. Di ba? You'll see massive results. Just make sure you don't quit on your first week. Don't quit. Don't quit. Don't quit. Again, don't quit. Diba? There's no failures. They're just quitters. Diba? Because if you fail and if you stand up again, you use that failure for your advantage. You've learned from it and you improve. Okay? So, 5 daily method of operation. 5 lang gagawin mo. Comment, connect, find, ask, message, direct approach, and follow up. That's it. That's it. Every day, ganun lang. Okay, so are you learning? Can you comment, I am learning, I am learning. Okay, are you committed? Di ba? Are you committed? If you're committed, use this 5 daily method of operation every day. Diba? And we are using this for Blitz also. Diba? End of the month, we are having our Blitz training. Okay? So that's it. Tapos na po tayo. So that's it. So congratulations to the people who finished this video. And after this, go to your next masterclass. And thank you so much. And hopefully you've learned from this. So I am Derek Ferrer, and I'm here in the New Norm Project, and I am worldwide. God bless you more.